There's two ways I see of doing this. We go in smart, or we go in loud and dumb. Remember the vents? If we're gonna be smart, we pump a little knockout gas. So how do you want to do this? Still a hothead? Well, some things never change. Select personnel with that in mind. As ever. Now the driver, they'll source the bikes, lead you out through the tunnels. Eddie Toe. Now you can count on him to get you out of a spot. Guns. Yeah, it might be hot and heavy in there. This guy, I'll keep it from going bad.
I got a good feeling about him.
Hacker. Back office, but this is the person who will determine how long you get inside. Harris. Good. Feminine touch. She'll be able to find any back doors they got. That look good to you? Are you sure? Okay. I'll look into how you can find a TAC team and get their weapons, and I'll be in touch. Yeah. Good. I'll call you when everything's ready. You'll need to pitch it to the guys.
Whoa. What? My rep don't count for nothing no more?
You're a dead man. I'll call you.
All right. I want to say thanks for being a part of our little operation. We're all professionals. We all know the score. We're going to execute the plan. We're going to move quick, and we're going to keep cool. Anybody gets pinched. This meeting never took place. We don't know each other. Is that clear?
Now, we've looked very, very carefully at the plans. We considered something more complicated, but given the location, the weakness of staffing, and the exit points, we believe that a more simple plan will work best.
We're going to hack in, disable security, and waltz right in through the front door. Security guard should be to our left. We neutralize him. 15 seconds later, you come in. I want extreme pressure applied to the staff. The customers are to be calmly subdued. I want one guy on crowd control, while you and I empty out the merchandise from the cabinets. We're in and out in 90 seconds, guys. Franklin will handle your getaway. I'm leaving on foot. Any questions?
Good luck, everyone.
Let's go. Yeah, come on, get in. Oh. Paige, you're in the truck with the bikes. Everyone else with me. Franklin's driving the van. Toe and McCreary, you're in the back. I'm taking the passenger seat. All right, listen up. The four of us in this van, we're about to become accomplices in a major crime. I gotta be able to trust you. My life, my liberty, my reputation. Same goes the other way. A crew will only work when there's trust. So, in the interest of fostering that type of relationship in the short time we've got, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've done this type of thing more than a few times, and I've made good money doing it. Enough to spend a long time not doing it. I hope it goes without saying, I know a lot of people. Anyone yaps about me or any of you will be dealt with. Got it? Now, Frank, over to you.
Yeah, man, I'm Franklin, dog. And I'm new to these kind of planned out detail robberies. I've done my share of small jobs, you know. Stores, warehouses, boots and cars. And then I met this dude right here, Michael, man. And he turned me on to this thing.
So, who's next?
Mackie McCreary from the fine borough of Dukes in God's own Liberty City. I came to LS seeking fame and fortune, and I found boredom and idiots. If you want to hear about my old life, well, you're the first.
This is it. Let's move. Go get the bikes. Go. Mr. Sherman! Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing. On the floor, now! Go, 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 go!
I'll clean up these.
Around a minute and a half before the alarm reset itself.
90 seconds! Alright, that's why we pay you what we do! Hey, we got more than enough time to clean these people out! Let's do it!
At 120.
What the hell? Go! Get on the floor! Good crowd work, gang! You were worth the outlay!
A minute left. 50 seconds.
I'm watching you! Clean them out! We're on the clock! Quick hands!
Oh my God!
Write it into your scripts!
Holy shit!
Everyone be cool! Hey! We got our target! Let's see how high we can go!
Half a minute left.
So for the last time, move it. Hey, get the fuck out my face.
Get 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. See you at the river. Go. Let's go, come on!
Stay close, stay safe, and let's go. Hard left. Here, going on the big road. Dorset Drive.
Let's do this!
You digging this music?
We're taking a right here and dropping off the bridge onto the freeway. Okay. Good balls. Now we to the right, into these tunnels. We should be able to get to a tunnel just here. The tunnel splits. Both lead to the same place. Keep going through the mud. I should be able to handle it. I didn't know why we had dirt bikes. Now I see this dirt, I understand. If you know around, you're not an idiot. These are the only bikes you choose. Down the corner, we'll go into the sewer. In the drop. There's a gate on the left. Take a left once you're through it. We're gonna start ascending. This means we're really out of here. We have to trust the Ellis River, then we're okay. Daylight, here we go. My team, the plan hasn't worked. Cops are waiting for you in the Ellis River. We're here, but be ready.
Hang in there, boys. I got this covered. Hang in there, boys. I got bull bars on the truck. I'll make short work of these cops.
Keep these small alphas, bro. There's some serious heat out here. Up there, follow that. Cut to the left, break your river. A couple more
no cops in the area. I think we got a chance.
All right, we got a window. Let's stop at the end of the river and get the bikes in the truck. Yeah, come on, get in. Lester's waiting for us at the lockup.
Fuck, man. I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike.
I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We cannot just get away with that shit, can we?
You know what? I think we did.
Oh, man.
All right. Woo!
I'm doing some rails tonight.
All right, people. We need to split up. We're gonna be looking for a crew.
Why are your cuts on the rocks have been sold?
Shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house a little later on. We'll celebrate, all right?
All right.
Okay.